ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಸಿದ್ದಯ್ಯನಕೊಪ್ಪಲು ಗೇಟ್ ಸಮೀಪವಿರುವ ಕಾವೇರಿ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ 7ನೇ ಘಟಕೋತ್ಸವ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೋಕನಾಥ್ ಎನ್.ಕೆ. ರವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾವೇರಿ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಎಚ್.ಪಿ. ರಾಜುರವರು ವಹಿಸಿದರು.
I know that everyone has a dream. So Dr. Abdul Kalam says each and every student should have a vision. If you do not have a vision, then you will be very difficult in your positions. Therefore, you should have a vision. To realize the vision, you should set a goals. So that means you should reach your goals. You set your steps to vision. So that's the possibilities. Because of that, I always remember Dr. Abdul Kalam, you should have a vision. So what you are going to do next year? What will happen after 2 years, after 5 years, after 10 years? And also you should remember one great person called Swami Vivekananda. He says that everything depends on you. That means in your confidence. The first thing is the self-confidence is more important rather than any other things. As things are changing day by day, because we are living in a technological society and an information era, so but everything is available. But the question is which one suits for you, which one is applicable for you. That's the most important. So as you see, in the olden days, people say only the intelligent people are really good. Over the time, not only intelligence is not sufficient, you need an emotional intelligence. That means you have to work together, go together. So then you have a more emotional intelligence. Today, in order to increase our intelligence as well as emotional intelligence, we need to have an artificial intelligence. Even you go to a shop, you have a go to and see the refrigerator, they say AI-based technology, artificial.
As a graduate of Kaveri Institute of Technology, I will use it for the well-being of our society and for the advancement of learning and the public good, and in thought, word and deed.
Graduation day is always a day of rejoicing, for it of another more uncertain and more difficult. I'm an assistant professor, Department of Civil Engineering.
I host the occasion of graduation. Likita K. Yes.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬಟನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.